Okay, this first project we're going to download from Blackboard this scene file, which we're going to load into Maya, and then we're going to create an object by adding pictures to this block. And we might make this into a building, we could make it into a TV, a monitor, let's see, a Rubik's Cube, you can make it into a dice, you can make it all kinds of things. I'm going to show you a quick example of how to make it into some kind of a structure. Once logged into Blackboard, you can go to the tools, and this I believe is the course documents. Yeah, the course tool, excuse me. And then you'll see the digital Dropbox. You'll download the file that's in there. I think it's texture object. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but download it to your desktop. And once you get it on the desktop, then you double click and it'll generate a folder. I think it's called texture object or something like that. Yeah, it's called texture object. So download this to your desktop and double click. It'll create a folder called texture object right on the desktop. I've also got it placed, if you scroll down in mod 1, if you go all the way down, you'll see there's a texture object. You could download it from here. Save the texture to your desktop and then load Maya. We're going to create a project, call it project_mod1, and then we're going to move the contents, and I'll show you how to do that. Once inside the folder that you downloaded, you'll see there's two folders, and what you want to do is you want to put those inside of your current project that we created in Maya, project 1. And we're going to drag these, actually I think it's project_mod1. I'm going to use this as an example. We'll just drag this into that project folder to get the contents of this file inside of your working project folder. Once it's in your current folder, you'll be able to click on File and then Open Scene, and right away you should be able to see the texture cube, and then you can just double click on that or click and then choose Open, and you'll have this file here. The next thing we're going to do is in Photoshop we're going to edit the image that's been mapped to this object, and I'll quickly show you the end result of what I created, and then we'll move on to the next video, which shows you how to do basically what I've shown you in Photoshop. Okay, so here's the file. I edited this in Photoshop, saved it, and now I can come right back in. I haven't done anything to this model whatsoever. This was all done in Photoshop. So there's now my building, and this is what our project 2 is going to look like.